Hey guys, Forex DJ here with another video. Today, just doing a video on Volta charging station. Just gonna do a quick review to see how this thing works for a Tesla Model Y. So first thing, if you realize, the charging cable is a little bit different. It's got a little handle here that goes up and down like a locking system. And you don't see that on Tesla Model Y. But Tesla Model Y gives you an adapter. So if you go back to your Tesla, what it comes with is just a Tesla charging package, and in the package there is a adapter here that's going to fit into the adapter of the Volta charging station. So it goes something like this. So this is the Volta charging cable. So you just apply it on top. You'll hear a click. Once that's in, that fits right into the Tesla charging port here. Once the charging port is open, you can just charge the vehicle as you would, and it just connects right there. Takes a while. Once it starts flashing green light, then you know it's charging.